Hey guys, in this video we're building this awesome power rack that allows you to do all kind of barbell movements as well as cable movements. On this home gym power rack you could do all the best exercises to gain maximum strength and muscle. This power rack is made from wood consisting of 2x6 and 4x6 pieces of lumber. For the main supports that are going to hold up all the weight, I use 4x6s 82 inches high. To connect the four main beams together on the sides, I used 2x6s 42 inches long. And to connect the front and the back of the main beams, I used 5 2x6s 44 inches long. However, that length will change depending on the bar you use. If you use an Olympic bar, it will need to be longer. Here are all the pieces I'll be using: the four main beams that hold all the weight, and all the 2x6s that connect the four main beams together, plus two 48-inch long 2x6s that will form the cable system. For the front two beams, I have holes drilled for every exercise that I normally use, such as bench press, rows, military press, and squats. They have each their own hole, and the holes are drilled slightly at an angle where the bar cannot roll off the peg. To start off, we're going to connect the sides of the power rack. And here are the sides after drilling all the screws in. The next thing I did was stand up the two sides and put on the two back pieces to hold it up together. Next, I connected the front 2x6, and on the inside of the power rack I put two more 2x6s for extra support for the cable system. Here are the two 48-inch long 2x6s that will have pulleys in them for the cable system. I decided to take the front 2x6 off to make more room for the cable system and the pulley. And here are the two pulleys I will be putting in the wood to make the cable system. These pulley wheels are from our old home gym, but you can find a pulley wheel from most hardware stores around you. And this is the pulley system after it's been mounted with some brackets to the top with a cable going to the weights. Here I'm going to attach a third pulley wheel to this bottom 2x6 that I took off the front 2x6 that wasn't necessary, which will allow me to do many other cable exercises from a low pulley. And And here's some examples of the many exercises you could do on this home gym cable system, such as rows. Here we are doing military press. You could do bench press, all kind of things. Squats. Barbell rows. Barbell curls. Rack pulls. Floor press. Pull-ups and chin-ups. Tricep extensions. And you can easily switch from the high pulley to the low pulley with this simple attachment cable. I have it hanging up there for convenience and it's out the way. You can just grab it and connect it to the other eye on the top pulley. Some cable rows and cable curls. Lat pull downs. And there you have it, an amazing home gym power rack that you do everything you need to do to gain muscle. So many different exercises you can do on this. All the great barbell exercises and many different cable exercises as well. If you enjoyed this build, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to see future workouts with this equipment.